Hey everyone, and welcome back to another quick Canva tutorial. And today I've got the inside scoop on morphing boring text into fun, funky shapes in Canva with a nifty tool called Typecraft. This tool lets you twist, warp and tweak fonts into carvy wacky works of art. So if you are ready, then I will walk you through exactly how to use it. First up, the basics. Typecraft shapes and styles text, essentially taking boring old words and making them bounce, stretch, and point every which way. We are talking curved text, outlined letters, and artsy shapes. It unlocks a world of possibilities compared to lackluster text. And get this, it's free and simple to use for all Canva members. Now, let me tell you how to find this tool. Just go to Canva and take a look at the left sidebar for the apps section. Once there, find the search bar and type in Typecraft. Open the tool and then type the text you want to change. In the next step, scroll through the font options. I'm going with use, but pick whatever you like. When you have picked your font, it's a preview time. Type out any word or phrase and watch it appear below. Let me throw down waiting real quick. Now, do you see those circle handle things on the letter edges? Click any part of your text and drag to more of those things every which way. I'm going artsy abstract with my text, twisting and tweaking till I've got a sweet shape. Once your text looks great, hit Add Element to Design and the new text for your Canva design appears. But wait, there's more. You can also pick from styles like outline or unfilled text for even stunning looks. Let me show you. I will make my text an unfilled outline, pump up the border width and go electric red. Now that pop-ups, try out each style and take your pick. So in a nutshell, Typecraft rockets the boring text into fun, funky realms with almost zero effort. It opens up a world of possibilities compared to regular text. I highly suggest you open Canva now and start trying this text. So, I hope you like this video. If you want to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, please do so.